Creating an account on T-Mobile is a straightforward process that can be completed online. Follow these steps to set up your account quickly. Step 1. Visit the T-Mobile website. Go to the official T-Mobile website using your preferred web browser. Look for the Sign Up or Create Account option on the homepage. Step 2. Enter your information. Fill out the required fields with your personal information. This typically includes your name, email address, phone number, and any other requested details. Step 3. Choose a password. Create a strong password for your account. Make sure it meets any specified security requirements, such as length and character types. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Complete your profile. Once verified, log into your new account and complete your profile. This may include adding payment information, selecting a plan, or setting preferences for notifications. Now you are ready to use your T-Mobile account for managing your services and plans. Enjoy your new account.